Have you ever wondered how AI detectors can spot text written by artificial intelligence, while some AI content sounds so natural it slips through undetected? In this video, we explore Walter Wright's AI, a platform built to beat the system. It offers two key tools: an AI humanizer, which rewrites AI-generated content to sound like a real person wrote it, and an AI detector, to verify the final result won't get flagged. As more writers, students, and researchers turn to AI, tools like this help avoid detection and ensure content feels human. I'll test Walter Wright's AI step by step and see if it can truly fool detection tools like GPT-0 and 0GPT. Let's dive in and find out. To start, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a sample essay for me. Just like that. The article is ready in seconds. I'll take the raw version of the essay, copy it, paste it into the AI detector, and hit the scan button. Now, let's test the same piece of content using popular detectors like GPT-0 and 0GPT. And there it is, 100% AI generated. No surprises there. This is exactly the problem many people are facing when using AI to create content. Whether it's for school, blogs, or social media, getting flagged as AI written can lead to serious issues. But don't worry, here's where Walter Wright's AI steps in. Let's take that exact same article and see what happens when we run it through the Walter Wright's AI humanizer. First, I'll paste the text into their detector just to confirm it's still flagged as AI. Then comes the exciting part, humanizing the text. With just a click on the Humanize AI text button, we get started. One thing I really like is the ability to customize the output. You can choose a readability level, define the purpose of the text like academic, casual, or professional, and even set a detection bypass level. For this test, I'm going to try out all three customization options and then compare the results using multiple detection tools. Now, let's scan the new version of the article. The transformation is amazing. The text now reads like it was written by an actual person, and even better, it passes through GPT-0 and 0GPT without being flagged as AI generated. In my experience, the standard and enhanced bypass levels give the most reliable results, especially if you want to minimize the chance of being detected. But even the simple option performs surprisingly well for lighter use cases. Were you impressed by how well Walter Wright's AI handled the AI detection challenge? Whether you're a student trying to submit an assignment, a writer creating blog posts, or a content creator managing multiple platforms, having access to tools like this can make a huge difference in how your work is received. What fascinates me the most is how fast this technology is evolving. Every month, AI tools get smarter, faster, and more effective. Not just at writing but also at bypassing detection. But as always, the real power lies in how we choose to use these tools. Are we using them to cheat the system or to boost productivity and creativity in a responsible way? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more cool content like this. And let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI humanizer with your own writing? That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.